We're going to try and renovate this old Pyracantha. What we want to do is push it back so it's up against the fence, and we can start pruning it to form a thick mass up against the fence and not this far out. So what you'll need a pair of good pair of secateurs, a little pruning saw, or a pair of loppers if you've got them. Pyracanthas, get yourself a decent pair of leather gloves, because Pyracantha covered in thorns. Sometimes it's easier just to have one glove so you can hold it on and just chop it out, and then you can see where you are. 3 or 4 big thick stems. There's some smaller stems which you might be able to get rid of these thicker stems, keep the thinner stems, and then you can kind of prune them and place them up against the fence. So keep that. I'll be able to bend that over that way. So we've got a bit of air in there, getting rid of some of the older wood, but try and keep some of this fresher growth. Once you've got this down, it might be worth just pruning that by half, and then taking some of these shoots back by half. If you want to put it tight up against the fence, try and get rid of all of the shoots that are going up against the fence, so you'll be able to get it a bit tighter. Like that. And then probably measure the top of the fence. And if you've got something a little bit thicker, get yourself a little pruning saw and just it looks as though we've butchered it, which we have, but you should be able to start thinking about tying these back into the fence now. We've finally got it all pruned back. We've tied it in as best we can just for the time being. Just get rid of any old branches that you missed. Leave it like this for the spring, and hopefully it should start shooting again, and it should be coming out like this. Once you've got a good new shoot like that, prune it back by half so it'll bush out from here, and then just kind of keep it trimmed back as much as you possibly can, close to the fence. Once you've got it in the shape that you do want it, you can go over with a hedge trimmer and just give it a light trim out from the fence. Just keep these tied in, keep these pruned, and hopefully you should get a lot more new growth next year. But just by doing that, an hour's job, you've gained 3 or 4 foot of border.